Well, hi there. Thanks for joining myself and Monty. Today I just want to show you a little bit about some fibre washing that I've been doing over the weekend. Now, those that know me will know that my medium of choice for my artwork is natural fibre. Now, that natural fibre can be mostly sheep's wool, some bamboo, silk, cotton. I've tried other types of natural fibers such as llama and Angora mohair and possum. So there's lots of different natural fibers that you can use in the type of artwork that I produce. But the core of the fibers is from sheep. Now, there are so many different types of sheep here in New Zealand. We are a wonderful agricultural country, and predominantly the breed of sheep fibre that I use is merino or Corriedale. But there are well over 20 different breeds that you can commercially buy here in New Zealand. Now, I was given fibre from a Suffolk sheep farmer here in Auckland, New Zealand. He's got a little lifestyle block, so he's not really a farmer, but he runs a few of these Suffolk sheep. Now, I've never used that fibre before, so he very kindly gave me some of his fleece from one of his newly shorn sheep, and I spent probably about 2 hours on the weekend washing that fleece. Now, it's out here drying at the moment, and here you can see this is what it looks like when it's in its drying state. And you probably can't see on the video, but there's grass. I had to remove a lot of dirt and dags and things, things that you would expect a sheep to be picking up in the paddock. That has to be removed prior to the washing, but also I can see I'm going to have to take a lot of the grass out of that after the washing. But what I love about it, gives me so much joy. Like, it's a bit stinky, but it gives me so much joy to be able to wash the fibre that I use in my practice. It's a very pastoral feeling. It's got a smell to it, and it makes me feel so much more connected to the artwork that I do. From this freshly washed fleece, I can also dye it. So, I've got the ability and the knowledge to be able to dye the fleece that I use. Now, my dyeing is quite erratic, the colors, the quality of the colors. So sometimes I find that just purchasing already dyed fleece is better for me to be able to control the colors that I use in my pieces. But nevertheless, again, it's lovely to feel that you can do various steps in the process. The provenance of where the fleece comes from. You can get it from the farmer, you wash it yourself, you card it, you dye it, and then you use it. There's something very magnificent about that. So anyway, I wanted to let you know that I've been doing some fleece washing, and I'm sure you'll be seeing it in some of my pieces in the future. So anyway, all the best and have a great rest of your day.